Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about how to draw auxiliary view of an object. For doing that, first of all, we have to draw the front view of the object, and then we will draw the inclined surface, I mean the auxiliary view of the object. Auxiliary view means to view the inclined surface of an object, to see the inclined surface properly. That is the main purpose of auxiliary drawing. That's why first of all we have to draw the front view of the object. That's why I draw this half of the front view. Here it's 32 mm, it's also 32 mm, and it's 16 mm, it's the both are 10 mm. And then what we will do now, in here we see that the inclined surface is 30-degree inclined with this line. That's why we will first of all determine the point, the 30-degree point. Here I see that the point is here. Now what will be the length of this line? Let's think about it. Here we see that from the base of the inclined surface I see there is 50 mm length, and then for the outer circle, for the bigger circle, the radius is 40. It means the length of this line will be 50 plus 40. It means it will be 90 mm. Okay, now I draw a 90 mm line here. So let's draw the line. It will be 50 plus 40, 90 mm. It's 90 mm. It exceed 1 mm by mistake. Okay, now what will be the width of this line of the inclined surface? The width of the inclined surface will be 15 mm as given in the picture. Okay, now let's draw the 15 mm line. I should draw the line with perpendicular 15 mm. Okay, now what should I do? In the picture there is no measurement of this line, that's why I'm just draw the line, but it should be parallel with this line. Okay, and now I'm drawing it with this for perfection. We can draw it with the scale like this, but sometimes it gives it gives wrong answer sometimes for our mistakes. That's why for perfection I'm using this. Okay, now I'm taking 90 degree for perpendicular. Okay, now I take 90 degree and just draw the line without measurement because it's not mentioned, the measurement is not mentioned in the figure. Okay, just draw the line. Okay, now what should we do now? We should do here, we should also have to draw the 15 mm line from here also. Now I am also using this for perfection because most of the time when we use scale it gives wrong answer for our mistake actually. Here I just point the scale in the point and then take just 15 mm as given in the figure. Okay, now what should I do now? I just add the line. It also should be perpendicular. So what should we do? We also take half for perfection because a little mistake can destroy the whole figure. That's why I'm using this for perfection. It's your choice, you using it or not. That's your personal matter. Whatever. Now just I'm connect the line. Okay, we see that they are intersect in this point. That means this is the main point. And here we also see that it's almost parallel with this one. See, almost. But it should be fully parallel, but for my it can be a measurement mistake or drawing mistake, whatever, but it should be parallel with this one. I hope you get it, this one. Okay, now what should we do? We should draw the auxiliary view of the drawing. And now where should I draw this? I will draw this in here to show the inclined surface. For doing this, first of all I have to draw a perpendicular. To draw this, and for perfection I'm using this and I'm taking 90 degree to draw the perpendicular. And now, what is the length of the inclined surface, the base, length of the base? I see that this is 80 mm. So we have to first of all figure out the 80 mm point or 80 mm line. Let's say first of all I'm take a 10 mm gap from here to see it clearly, and then take 80 mm. So 80 mm should be from 20 to 12. Yeah, there's the 80 mm line. Okay, now what should I do? I have to draw the auxiliary view in here. Okay, for this what should I do? I can draw the one side in here. This also should be perpendicular with this line. And what is the length of this line? We see that it's 50 mm. From the baseline until the center of the circle, it's 50 mm. So 50 mm should be like this, 50 mm. And also it's from 50 mm from here. Let's draw this. And it also should be perpendicular with that line. Okay, let's draw. And now what should we do? Now we have to draw the outer circle in here. There we see a big circle, and now we have to draw this. For draw a circle, first of all we have to determine the center point of the circle. We see that the center point is middle of the base. It means if it is 80 meter, then the point will be in 40 mm. So I'm just determine the 40 mm point. Okay, if 50 to 28, then the 24 will be the center point of it. And now what should we do? I just draw the circle. What is the radius of the circle? I see that the radius of the outer circle is 40 mm. So I'm taking 40 mm measurement from the scale with pencil compass. We should take the measurement carefully, because a little mistake can destroy the whole drawing. That's why we should be careful while taking the measurement. Okay, now let's draw. Yeah, our measurement is perfect because it's intersect properly with that line. Okay, now what should we do? We also see an inner circle in here, and the diameter of the inner circle is 40. It means the radius is 20 mm. Now I'm taking 20 mm measurement. 20 mm means from here to here, and we also have to take this carefully. Okay, I'm taking that 40 mm, and now just draw the circle. We also have to draw this carefully for perfection. Okay, our drawing is almost finished. Now what should you do? I'm just indicate the center line. This is the center line of the circle. This is the center line from here. Okay, our drawing is almost done. Now I have to show the hidden line in here, because the main inclined surface is here and we show it elaborately in here. So now what should we do? We just draw the inclined line, center line in here, and the side line. We have to draw it carefully. Okay, and from also this side. Yeah, we're almost done. Here is there. We also see some little circle in the left side. It means in here. That's why we have to show the hidden line from here. Now, how we can determine the center point of those circle? We see that from the left corner, it's the center of the circle. The distance is 15 mm. So I'm taking 15 mm distance. Yeah, taking 15 mm distance. Notice the radius of those circles. Here we see that the diameter of the circle is 10 mm. So the radius will be 5 mm. So I'm taking 5 from each side. And also there is circle from here. That's why I should draw the hidden line. So here we see that from the right corner is 15 mm. That's why I'm taking 15 mm. And then it's also have 10 diameter. It means 5 from each side. Okay. Now let's draw the center line and the side. Also this, and then this last one. Yeah, we're almost done. That's all about our orthographic drawing. Here we see that we can easily draw the drawing. The main purpose of auxiliary drawing is to clarify, is to show the inclined surface of an object. Here we see the inclined surface in elaborate or details. And that's all about the auxiliary drawing. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Jazakallah khair.